Mag-gisa na ako. Gisa-gisa. Yan. Ayos na. Yan, may ano yan. Bawang. Bawang. Luya. Yan. Ating paksiw na saluyot. May luya, may bawang. Ganyan lang. Simpleng-simple. Ating paksiw na saluyot. Diba? Tapos lagyan natin yung saluyot. Yun o. Meron pa yan. Ating paksiw na saluyot. Yan. Paksiw na saluyot. Baon natin yan. Paksiw na saluyot. Yan. May bawang, may luya. Yung may mantika. Lalagyan natin ng suka mamaya. Sarap to na baon. Mas maraming bawang, mas masarap. Gusto nyo lagyan ng bagoong patis. Nasa sa inyo yan. Bawang pa. More bawang, more love. Ayos. Tapos lagyan natin ng paminta. Black pepper. Yun. Marami. Suko. Tapos garlic filling. Yung spicy, lagyan din sili. Yan o. Sili. More spice. Yung bawang. Onions. Ito nakita yung garlic. Tutubig yan. Yung bago, pwede rin. Yan ang aking paksiw na saluyot.
Hey, Tito.
Hi.
Kiana started back.
Okay. It's good already?
Oh yeah, it drives like a new car.
Wow.
Yeah.
What did you do?
Not me.
Are you? I thought you repaired it.
No, I just picked it up.
Oh. What's wrong with the car?
Apparently, her spark plugs and coil packs need to be changed.
Marco, do you know how to do a motorcycle? Lock, no?
Oh no.
Motorcycle. I tried to YouTube a long time ago.
Maybe ask Tyson.
No, Tyson too. He didn't know.
Oh, there's not that one.
I know.
That one's too hard.
Yeah. Ito na ang ating paksiw na saluyot.
Yeah.
Look at this. Me and Tyson did a filter last night. It's so funny.
Paksiw na saluyot. Saka natin lalagyan ng suka. Baon-baon ko yan. Konting tubig siguro.
He has really hair. Wait, hold on, let me get water.
Konting tubig. Water.
Where's our dinakdakan?
Ah, oh.
I'm craving it.
Oh, give me pambili. Eh, I woke Rapi already, huh? So where's the 100?
I gave you.
Oh, you gave me,
That's all I can afford.
I forgot.
My rent here is $1,000.
Wow!
Yes, I actually don't have money.
Nurse, no money? What the heck? See? It's Paksiw Saluyot. And if you want to add bagoong, it's up to you. Patis or whatsoever. Patis if you want. Let's add patis. And let's add suka. Okay, that's my Saluyot Paksiw. Ano na lang natin yan? Patuyuin na lang natin. Okay, that's it. Paksiw Saluyot. Yum yum.